Morning, blind sniper on this Sunday morning. Been out here shooting my custom 1022 from Ruger from the custom shop. I ordered it. They made it for me with a bull barrel. Beautiful rifle. Beautiful rifle. I have been shooting to start out with Federal Auto Match. Then I went to Federal Small Game. This has shot better in this rifle than the Federal did. I was surprised. Now the Federal is a 40. This Small Game is a 38 grain, and it's booking. It's I think it's about 60 FPS faster than the Auto Match. And then I had to try out my Remington Subsonic loads because, you know, I got a lot of bolt action rifles, and I'm trying to narrow it down where I don't be buying a whole bunch of different kind of ammo. I can stick with pretty much the same kind of ammo fit every rifle. So far, everything's shooting. Even the Subsonic, for this to be a semi-automatic, shot real good. Had one failure to feed, but that was the very first shot. After that, wasn't no problem. I mean, not failure to feed, failure to eject, and after that was no problem. Now this is a Weaver 3x9x40. I didn't have another scope to go on here. I didn't want to take it off my other rifles that's already been sighted in, because I got another Mueller I ordered coming in. Same thing, 832x44. It's right now it's my number one scope, and I just bought another one, and got a great deal on it again for $155. Can't beat it. Had to jump on it, and I'm hoping if everything goes right, I'll be it on my scopes. If not, I might buy one more Mueller. I'm not sure. But anyway, this is a great rifle. It's even got the cheek rise, which is, you know, at this height right here, which is medium mounts. I didn't have to raise it up. I just laid my cheek up on there and get a good sight in. Now, I'm shooting it at 25 and 50 yards. I haven't tried 75 yet. And I am real pleased with the rifle. I am real surprised because I've never shot a 1022 before in my entire life. I've never owned one, never been around one, never seen anybody who had one. I guess they just weren't popular in my area when I was coming up. I don't know. Most people back then bought from Sears and Roebuck because the only place you could get guns besides a hardware store, and didn't nobody say nothing about no 1022s. But anyway, when I first started sighting it in, that Weaver was way off. I wasn't even hitting nothing here, period. I had to bring it down probably about 3 or 4 complete turn revolutions to get it down. And finally got it down to here. And this is with Auto Match now, and that's where I started hitting bullseye. So then I brought it down to, let's see. No, after I got it bullseye, I said, well, let me go on up here and try it on the 50. But let me show you this here first before I leave. I want to keep coming back to it. This here is the Small Game. See that Small Game, that Federal Small Game, 38 is or 36 was the weight of it. And here, this one right here is my Subsonic from Remington. So see, it's not bad. It's not bad. This is a 25-yard target now. I'm just messing around with a 3x9x40 40 scope. Because 3x9x40, I can't even see the bullet holes up here at 50 yards. I'm just shooting blindly, hoping that I'm getting it right. And I was really surprised on this. Let me show you what this 1022 can do. All right. Let's see if I can remember which ones it was here. Give me 1 second. Okay. This was the Auto Match to begin with. See here, I'm shooting over here towards the left-hand side. And I said, well, shoot, I got to do better than that. So I went back and redone it. And bullseye, look at that right there. I redone it. Everyone hit, and that is the auto match, Federal auto match. Now, for the, let me see, is it this target or the other? I know it's the other target. But small game on this one was here. Here was a small game on this one. Federal small game. About 2-hole width, all 5 shots. Those took 5 shots on it. This here was 10 down here, and this was 10 over here, and 10 down there. But over here on this other target at 25, when I used the small game, I was really surprised on it. That's the bullet hole I forgot to show you. It's at 25 yards. Because all the rest of them kind of spread out. Small game. There it is right there. This is the one I meant to show you. All 5 holes in one. Or 2, whatever you want to call it. Like it's side by side, but all 5 of them went in that one spot. Can't beat that. Federal small game, 22 LR. So I've tried Subsonic. It works good. I got some tweaking to do with it. I've also got some tweaking to do with all of it, except for the small game. I was thoroughly surprised with that stuff, because when they sold it to me, I didn't get but 1 box, I think, because I said, well, let me try it out first before because they wanted to sell me a whole brick of it. I said, no, that's it. It's got a threaded muzzle. I can change it to a silencer if I want to, but I'm just not into that silencer stuff. I got it on my 9x13 bipod, but I've ordered me some more of 6x9 bipods. This bipod, since I built this table right here, this bipod's a little bit too high. So I need to get down a little lower, because on the lowest setting at 9, it's just a little bit too high. At least with that, and I can go to 329. I had about 3 of them. I tried it out. It works real good. I love this mag dump right here. Check this out. Just pull this, it just falls out. It just falls out. I love that. Little lever right here on the trigger. This is a great little rifle. Now, I paid a good little penny by my standards for this gun. And I'm sure there's a lot of more modifications I can do for it to make it better. But I spent, I think it was $800. I think that's what I paid for it, right? $800, maybe just a little bit more. I can't remember exactly. And because I had it laid away for about a couple months, and got it out this weekend, and decided to try it out today. But like I said, the only scope I had was the Weaver, and I kept it on 9 full strength. It don't have no parallax to it, no adjustments on the scope, so there was nothing I could do for it. It's the old type turrets, so I caught the devil trying to change them. Old fingers ain't as tough as they used to be. But anyway, just wanted to get you on here and show you this and let you see how good it is. That's one gorgeous rifle though. That's one gorgeous rifle. And that is the Ruger Custom Shop 1022. Had it ordered through, you know, Village Pawn Shop, Village Pawn and Gun Shop is really what they call it. You can pawn stuff there, or you can buy brand new weapons there, or you can buy used guns, whatever you want to do. It's called the biggest little gun shop in North Carolina, and it is. I'm telling you people, it is. No matter what you want, it's there. If you don't have it, if they don't have it, they'll order it for you. Fantastic little shop. But ask for a discount. That's what I do. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't, you know. But like the lady told me one time when I said, you get tired of me asking to knock some money off. She said, well, no, you never know unless you asked. So sometimes they'll do it. Sometimes they stuck on that price. And I understand. People pawn stuff sometimes. They got a certain amount of money they got to earn back plus a profit. And these new rifles, I'm sure it's a big markup, but they got it set. They got a lot of people work there. So there's a big payroll. But I understand, and I appreciate them people. And The ladies, I'm telling you, the ladies there are fantastic. I have never met anybody there really that is a tailhole. Nobody. The men are a little harder to deal with. You know, they're men. They're blunt. But women, they can tell you off and smile with it, and you appreciate it. No, they don't tell you off. They good ladies. I pick and play with them a lot, and really, I probably pick at them too much. But it's a great place. Village Pawn Shop, Gun and Pawn Shop in Wadesboro, North Carolina. Look them up. They're on the internet too. They got things all over the internet for sale, or you can come to the shop. But I had to plug them in on this thing because this is a great rifle, and they done me right on it. I don't think I was overcharged for it. With today's prices, I'd say this is about right. But get out and do some shooting, people. Do me a favor. Like all these ants. Good God. Like and subscribe. I need some help there, and some people's doing it, and I really appreciate you. The ones that you are doing it, subscribe. If you don't never come back, that's fine. I just need the subscribers so I can get on live sometime. And I'm getting ready to buy me a long range scope, or a spotting scope rather, that I can hook the cell phone to, and I can start showing what I'm shooting as I'm shooting it. And I got a lot of plans. I just need your help to get it going. And so far, I'm not receiving too many. I'm getting the views a little bit, but nobody's subscribing and nobody's liking. I've had one or two comments. But just help me out. Help me out. I'm begging you. That's what I'm doing. I'm begging you to help me out. All right, this is Blind Sniper. I'll talk to you later. Great little gun. Village Pawn and Gun Shop in Wadesboro, North Carolina. They can make you a good deal on it. All right, later.